Baby, let's go inside. There is something very important I need to tell you.
Seriously?
Yes.
Confidence.
My brother, here is the man that stole your wife. Yes, he's the one.
Hey! Abomination.
King, is that you? So it's true. It's true that you left my home to come and frolic with another man.
What would you have me do? You left me. You left me for 8 years. No communication, no text, no letters from you.
And that is why you started sleeping with another man that is not your husband.
Why? Why confidence? Why would you do this?
Hey, who is this?
My husband.
Why are you coming here acting so emotional as if she left your house yesterday? As if it was yesterday that you traveled and didn't just call her? For crying out loud, this woman here did not hear from you for 8 good years. And you're coming here being so emotional. We should be crying for you or clapping for you?
Does that justify you taking another man's wife into your home?
See, my brother, you see this woman that you married as a wife, this woman does not watch her. She's not a good woman. You are not a good woman at all. You see you.
Confidence, how can you do a thing like this? So what if you didn't hear from me for 8 years? Does that excuse this? Does that excuse this?
There is something you are missing here. Look at the way you just mentioned 8 years as if we're talking about 8 hours or 8 days. So if she didn't hear from you forever, she should continue to suffer. You didn't know there was a place she was living that wasn't paid for by this your brother standing here? Let me tell you something. It is not my fault. Are you hearing what I'm saying? And you don't even have to be saying anything. We are talking here that you are sleeping with my brother's wife, and you are here telling me nonsense.
Hey,
yeah?
She has committed an abomination and she's going to...
You are leaving my brother's house right here and right now.
Please. Uncle, please calm down. Annabelle, please.
No, she will leave.
Wait, please, come.
Let's see what you have to say now.
Come. Please. You people should calm down. Calm down. The point that they are making is true. I left her for 8 years without communication.
Please tell me that.
Are you seriously saying this?
Tell me that, please.
Like, are you saying? I hope you are not with your eyes, right?
Our daddy, our late father died, and when our mother was so young, did she get remarried?
No.
Come on, 8 years. 8 years.
8 years. She cannot stay.
If you don't know what to say,
she's running around like
that you entered abroad. I've entered it. If you don't know what to say, I'm going to change that one out of that house.
No. I don't want you to say anything anymore. You've brought me here.
Bassey,
please.
Bassey,
please.
She's leaving. There is no way she's going to come into our compound again.
Okay, let me tell you this. She's my wife. She's my wife, okay? Yes.
Look at how your wife is standing with another man.
Let me handle this.
Okay.
Please, I don't want you people to say anything anymore.
Okay.
Please, I'm taking her back home. That is the truth. In case you guys want to go now, I'm taking her back with me.
Something I've entered the same.
Don't understand me.
I'm sorry.
No. Please, there's no need. You shouldn't be kneeling down. I should be the one apologizing to you. My love, I am sorry. Okay? There is a reason why you didn't hear from me for 8 years. You see, the truth is, immediately I traveled abroad. On getting abroad, there were some issues, some complications happened, and I got arrested and imprisoned. For the past 8 years, I have been in prison. I recently got released. That's why you didn't hear from me. I lost your contact. There was no way to reach you. I'm really sorry, my love.
My brother is
I couldn't have abandoned you intentionally. You know how much I love you. Please, I want you to have it in your heart to forgive me. Forgive me, please, and come back. Come back with me. I don't mind what has happened. I forgive you. I want you back.
Listen, you're a funny man. You are a funny man. 8 good years. Mr. Man, close your mouth there. Close your mouth. I'm talking and you are here talking. See, you must leave. See you must leave.
You will leave,
I told you.
Even me what?
Uncle,
my wife.
I asked you to come because The house rent has almost expired. Please, if there's a way you can help me to pay the house rent, because I've not been doing well in my business. I don't even have anything again that I'm doing. Please, if you can help me, you're my husband's uncle. Please.
My wife.
Yes, uncle.
My beautiful wife. You know, you are such a beautiful woman. And since my brother left far abroad, we've not heard from him. And since then, I've been the one paying for the house rent and doing other expenses on his behalf.
Yes.
You know, which I don't even know when he's going to return back. But you know, at this point now, as a beautiful woman that you are, you know, it's all about you scratch my back, I scratch your own back. Because this thing will not be wasting now. It will not be wasting. It will be an abomination if I allow this thing to be wasted. So, you know, it's better. It's high time you start giving me this. You understand what I'm saying? Just
What is it now?
Hi! What did you just do now?
How will you touch me in that manner?
Hi! So it has got to the day extent that you raise your hand on me. Hi! Oh, this is abomination. This is abomination. And somebody that have been helping you for almost how many years now, just because of something that I asked you now, you have started raising your hand on me. Let me see how you pay for this apartment again. And let me tell you something, do not call me again. Let me know here where you call uncle. Come and do not, never you try that again. And from now henceforth, you're not going to see me again. Keep your stuff, let me keep my money. That's your, I've told you, and I'm going for good.
Yes.
Uncle. Uncle. You didn't tell me this. You? You? Why?
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Look at my brother. My brother left the wife for how many years? And the woman.
You see, you are not on our side. You are such a terrible person. How can you say things like, please, just
when there is cold, you need to scratch her body.
No, come this way. I can't believe that you are saying this.
Why?
Please, just don't stay close to her, please.
So you are like this.
So you did this.
Your mouth there.
I'll deal with your matter later. This matter will get to the family.
Scratch her body.
Look at you.
Where her body is, you scratch her.